Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can remove all headers and footers on your Word document. First, headers are located at the topmost part of your document or screen, while footers are located at the bottom part of your document. One way to easily remove all headers on your document is by pressing the header on the first page of your document. Then, you can simply erase all the text that is written on the header part, and this will automatically remove all headers on all pages of your document. The same thing can be done for the footer. Another way to do this is by going to Insert and look for Header. Just press the drop down button and you'll see here the option to remove header. By pressing this, all headers on all pages of the document will be deleted. You can do the same thing for the footer, so just go to Footer, press the drop down button, and click Remove Footer. And that's the end of this tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.